Hello everyone and welcome to Solving Solo Series for CAT examinations. Solving one question at one time. Pause the video and try to solve it. The digits of a 3-digit number A are written in the reverse order to form another 3-digit number B, where B is greater than A. If B minus A is perfectly divisible by 7, then which of the following is necessarily true? So B is greater than A. Let me write B first. B can be written as 100Z plus 10Y plus X, and A is 100X plus 10Y plus Z. I can deduct this. So we'll have 100 into Z minus X minus 1 into Z minus X, that is 99 into Z minus X. Now this B minus A is divisible by 7. Now we know that 99 is not divisible by 7. That means Z minus X is divisible by 7 and all X, Y, Z are digits, isn't it? And the value of X, Y, Z lies between 1 to 9. So the only possible value which we can see such that Z minus X is divisible by 7 would be 9 minus 2 is 7, or 8 minus 1 is also 7. So our A can be XYZ. In first case it is 2 and 9, okay, and in second case it will be 1 and 8 for Z. Now the biggest of these number which we can form is 299, and the smallest of this number which we can have is 108. That means our number which we are looking out for should be from A108 to 299. So now which of the following is necessarily true is regarding the number. First one says it is 100 to 299, but it is not including 299. 118, no. What about 108 then? Option B fits in. It says that A should be more than 106 and less than 305. Yes, we know that the range of A is 108 to 299, both inclusive. I'll see you soon. Thank you.